In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve mailbox full problem in Outlook. If your mailbox is near its limit or you are getting quota warnings. The goal is to free up server space without losing important messages. I'll walk you through the classic Outlook desktop app first, then the new Outlook and web experience, and share tips to keep things tidy going forward. Start in the classic Outlook desktop app. Open Outlook, then go to File, choose Info, and look for Tools or Cleanup Tools. Then select Mailbox Cleanup. This built-in dashboard helps you quickly target what's taking up space. Use Find items larger than to surface heavy emails. Even a small number of messages with big attachments can consume most of your quota. Next, select View Mailbox Size to see which folders are the biggest offenders. Often, sent items and deleted items grow quietly in the background. So this view helps you focus your effort where it matters. Now clear out the obvious. In the folder list, right-click Deleted Items and choose Empty Folder to permanently remove those messages. Do the same in junk email. Keep in mind that this action can't be undone. So make sure here is nothing you need in there first. To reduce ongoing growth, set up archiving for older mail. Go to File. Select Options. Click Advanced. Then open Auto Archive settings. Turn on Run Auto Archive and set it to clean out items. For example, 6 months or older. Browse to pick a local folder on your computer where those older emails will be moved, which frees up space on the mail server while keeping your history accessible. Click OK to save. Remember that archived mail is stored locally, so ensure that folder is included in your computer backups. Back in your mailbox, sort your inbox by size. Largest first, review big messages and either delete them if they're no longer needed, or remove the attachments while keeping the email body for context. A helpful approach is to save attachments to your computer first. Confirm they're safely stored and then remove them from the email. If you are using Microsoft 365, you can save large attachments directly to OneDrive. After saving to OneDrive, remove the attachment from the message to reclaim space while preserving the email itself. In the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, open Settings, go to Account, then Storage to see how much space is left and which areas are largest. Finally, reduce future clutter by unsubscribing from newsletters you no longer read. Trimming incoming bulk mail prevents the problem from quickly returning. Thanks for watching.